Want to ignore calls without blocking them on your iPhone? Here's how. Activate Do Not Disturb mode. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Tap the focus button. Then tap on Do Not Disturb mode to activate it. Customize settings to allow calls from favorites or repeat callers through. Silence unknown numbers. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Then find and select Phone. Find Silence Unknown Callers and toggle it on. Now, calls from unknown numbers will go directly to voicemail. Use Airplane Mode. Head back to the control center. Activate Airplane Mode to temporarily cut off all network connections. Now you can pause disturbances without blocking anyone. Subscribe for more useful tips.